It is crucial to know how to secure your vehicle when parked on a grade or hill to prevent it from rolling into traffic and causing an accident. Let's look at the 4 steps for parking uphill with a curb on the right. After pulling into the parking space, the first thing we need to do is turn the steering wheel to the left, away from the curb. This way, if our brakes were to fail, the vehicle would roll backward and be stopped by the curb, preventing it from rolling out into traffic. Next, we must put the car in park. Then, engage the emergency brake. And finally, turn off the ignition. Now let's take a look at parking downhill with a curb on the right. Step 1. Turn the steering wheel right towards the curb so that if the vehicle's brakes were to fail, it would roll into the curb, preventing it from rolling out into traffic. Next, we must put the car in park. Then, engage the emergency brake. And finally, turn off the ignition. What would happen if there were no curbs? When there are no curbs, always turn the wheel to the right, regardless of whether you are parking uphill or downhill.